Hello, I'm going to be answering Waec 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 6 under Test of Orals, Section 1. The instruction is, from the words lettered A to D, choose the option that has the same vowel sound as the one represented by the letter or letters underlined. So we have ball. Ball is the word, and letters A and W are underlined. So option A, pot; B, cook; C, pal; D, lout. So I will transcribe each of the words so we can pick out the one that has the same vowel sound as the word given to us. So ball is transcribed this way. We have the long all vowel sound, which is the sound represented by AW. Then you have pot, so transcribe this way too. So you have option B, cook, transcribed this way. You have the short U sound and then consonant sound, so cook. And then option C is pal, transcribed this way. This is p, consonant sound. Then you have the short R sound, and then this is pal, and option D is lout, written this way. Lout. So we can see that option A, which is pot, has the same vowel sound as in ball. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, which is pot. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and also for more past questions and answers. Thank you.